Case Marakass Center said it has taken the death of the Bangladeshi man who was confirmed to have contracted coronavirus disease in good faith. The 70-year-old man, who was among a team of Islamic scholars who entered the Gambia via Senegal over coronavirus-affected countries, including Senegal, died on Sunday and was confirmed positive of the coronavirus after his death. Let's have more of that in this report.
The Marakass Center has given reaction to the confirmation of positive test of COVID-19 of a Bangladeshi who was hosted by the center in Bundung. The man who died on Sunday was among a team of Islamic scholars who flew into the Gambia via several other coronavirus-affected countries, including Senegal. Ibrahim Jabang, who spoke to Africa, said that the Islamic Center received the news in good faith, and that all those who had contact with the late scholar voluntarily gave in for quarantine and testing.
Yeah, we got the information the same way the public got it, that he tested positive. So, and then from there on, we just had to listen to the government, the health experts, to tell us the way forward. And since then, they have been coming and going, and we've been compliant. The first contacts were identified. And then they went. And then there are a number that voluntarily, knowing they had contact with the guy, without government's intervention, came, and right now they are also under quarantine. But Alhamdulillah, Allah being so good, so far all Gambian brothers tested for the corona as per the information relayed through the minister yesterday. All cases are so far negative, pending one that the minister said is inconclusive.
A delegation of about 15 members of the Marakass were allowed to offer the funeral prayer on the late Bangladeshi who was laid to rest on Wednesday. His funeral was managed by the Gambia Red Cross Society. The management of the Marakass anticipated some form of solidarity on the passing of the scholar rather than painting a picture on the center.
A disease is no more an epidemic but a pandemic for that matter. We wouldn't recklessly let it lose at society, especially a society we are part of. Now, Allah, out of His own decree, made it such it came from us. Now, what can we do? The only thing we can do is to cooperate with the health experts to see the way forward. And so far, we are definitely cooperating with them. Our image, yes, it's been tarnished. People who have never even met the Sheikh, people who have not even come here for the past, let's say, a month or two, are being stigmatized. We expect Gambians as brothers to be in solidarity with us. We have seen people being in solidarity with the Italians, with the Germans, with the Chinese.
Of the close contacts of the Bangladesh national, one contact has been subjected to test for a second time after the first trial was inclusive, according to the Minister of Health and Social Welfare. But lab technician at the ministry, Haruna Jallo, explained the reason for the second test on the primary contact of the man who died of coronavirus.
In the testing, you have a platform that is the real-time PCR. So the reason why the patient is a probable case at the moment is because the screening tests have shown that it is positive, but the confirmatory test is saying it's negative.
So far, 3 cases have been confirmed in the Gambia, with the government working on to enforce the ban on public gatherings across the country. Reporting for Africa News, I am Amadou Kante.